Right now, the way we build digital products is fundamentally broken. You spend days drafting wireframes, hours debating layouts in Figma, and then days converting those designs into actual clean code. Closed-source design tools promise to fix this, but they trap you behind steep monthly subscriptions, force you to use their specific model, and keep your data locked inside their ecosystem. To understand why everyone is talking about open design, we need to talk about the friction in the current product workflow. Traditionally, you have two choices: build it manually or rely on a proprietary AI platform. But proprietary platforms come with three massive drawbacks: rate limits, zero model choice, and complete vendor lock-in. If their servers go down, your productivity goes down. If they raise their prices, you pay up or leave. This is where things get interesting. Because open design is model agnostic, you aren't tied to a single company's tech stack. Want maximum reasoning and pristine code generation? Plug in Claude 3.5 Sonnet. Need high-speed generation with massive context windows? Connect Gemini Pro. Want cost efficiency? Route simple edits through OpenAI. Or if you care about complete data privacy, you can point open design toward a local open weight model running entirely offline on your own machine. Your source code, proprietary wireframes, and design ideas never touch an external cloud server. Let's see what happens when we push this tool to its limit. I'm going to give it a single prompt asking for a modern multi-section SaaS landing page for an AI analytics platform. Look at how it processes this request. It doesn't just output static PNG images like older generative AI. It constructs structured components, applies cohesive layout systems, and writes CSS and interactive logic under the hood. In less than 2 minutes, we have a living, breathing user interface complete with polished typography, responsive grids, interactive UI elements, and clean animations. Generating a first draft with AI is easy, but any developer or designer will tell you that the real work happens during iteration. That's where most AI design tools collapse into chaos. Open design treats iteration as a stateful conversation. Instead of regenerating the entire page from scratch and losing your existing progress, it applies targeted mutations to the layout. Notice how every time I issue a natural language command, the agent updates the specific component, while leaving the rest of the application intact. You keep tweaking and refining until the interface matches the exact vision in your head. Now let's keep it real and set expectations. What can this tool actually replace, and where are its limits? Open design excels at web landing pages, mobile application prototypes, dashboard layouts, slide decks, and animated UI component logic like button micro-interactions or modal transitions. However, it is not a full-blown 3D rendering suite or high-end motion graphics software. It builds web-native interactive designs, prototype states, and CSS/JS-driven motion, not full Hollywood special effects. Knowing where it fits into your workflow saves you hours of frustration. Because open design is fully open source, the customization doesn't stop at the UI layer. You can inspect the underlying prompts, modify the system instructions, and tailor the generation framework to match your team's specific code style. If your company uses a specific design system or Tailwind UI kit, you can configure the agent to adhere strictly to your brand guidelines, color palettes, and component libraries. Getting open design running takes under 5 minutes. You clone the repository, install your Node or Python dependencies, set your preferred API key in the environment configuration, and spin up the local server. Once it's running, you have a private, local-first design workspace ready to take on your next product idea. Open-source tools like Open Design are fundamentally democratizing software development. You no longer need a massive budget or a massive team just to bring high-quality product concepts to life. If you want to set this up yourself, drop a comment saying design down below, and I'll send you the direct link to the step-by-step installation guide and repository setup. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe for more deep dives into open-source AI frameworks, and I'll see you in the next one.